Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on Void Knight from Power Rangers Dino Fury, or Gauso from Roost Soldier, whatever you prefer. This one is for a customer. I printed another one. It was probably going to be too small for them. It fits my head. It's a weird shaped helmet. I don't know. This model is by 3D Command Center. So the smaller one is going to be for me. That's the one we'll probably see in the end. But this one is bigger, so I was like, oh, show this one. Did get all the supports off. Printed pretty okay. What I'm more worried about is just getting all the supports off this safely. And it should be a fun helmet. It's a little intimidating just because it's like so weird. I don't know. It is almost the last Dino Fury Roost Soldier I need to do. We need to do the max mode or whatever. So maybe that can come down the pipeline. Stay tuned for that. But let's get these supports off, get some spot put on it, and then start sanding. I think the airbrushing makes it look pretty cool with the clear on it. So we're gonna get the magnets, elastic, and the visor in, and then we'll get to the spin around. Here it is, Void Knight, Gauso, whatever you're into, Roost Soldier, Dino Fury, doesn't matter, still an awesome helmet, amazing. I love this thing. I was really hesitant about it. It's been such a kind of a pain. I'm working on two, so it usually doesn't help, as you know how it goes. But I love the airbrushing we did on it. I think it looks really cool. The purple is amazing. This Tester's Purplicious is just beautiful. Visor turned out well. Like, I don't have any complaints about this, honestly. It's actually a super nice looking helmet, I think. So hopefully the customer, because this one is for somebody, mine's not done yet, but we're going to fast track it. So you might see that one in the TikTok once this video gets closer to coming out. But I hope they enjoy this helmet. I think they will. The airbrushing was different. We don't really do that very often, but it's fun to try new things. I think we've only ever done it on Black Sun. So hopefully get to do more in the future. If I can think of some helmets that need airbrushing. But as always, I hope you enjoyed this. This should be the entire Roost Soldier team done, I guess. so to speak. I mean, we didn't do the brown version, but we do have all the videos up for all the other ones. So make sure you go check them out if you're interested. We even got some new updated videos for some of the older ones as well. So look forward to that. As always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, streaming helmets, just hanging out, having fun. Also, check out the merch store if you want some cool Stickasaurus apparel. Check out the Discord if you want to come hang out. I'm in there all week when we're not streaming. So if you want to talk any questions, feel free to pop in. And check out the Patreon. We got tons of people over there now. We're working on community build helmets. I think we got like 4 or 5. We're waiting on art to get back to us. And we've got polls going for new ones. All kinds of fun stuff. Files. It's a good time right there. So check that out. But as always, I'm Stickasaurus. I'll see you next time.